What's up, guys? It's Amrit Raghu Trading Academy, and today in this video I actually wanted to break down this euro odd trade signal that I sent out to my private group last Thursday. And with this trade signal, we actually just hit the take profit level within the last hour at 1.622. And you guys can see here on screen, we risked about 40 pips for this trade setup, and we ended up catching about 180 pips out of it. So a very good risk to reward overall. And I thought I'd break this trade setup down with you guys and really show you guys where my head was at when we took this trade. So first thing I'll do is I'll share my private Telegram group with you guys so you guys can see where I sent this trade out at, and just give you guys a little bit of insight to the group. So let me just share my screen. Okay, cool. So this is yesterday. I sent out the crypto market breakdown and future opportunities video. That's besides the point. And then I also updated the euro odd trade setup from last Thursday. So if I click on this, you guys can see that I sent this trade setup out on June 20th, 2019. And we were looking for price to come up into this 1.63954 area. And we were looking to take our sell orders and sell positions out this area for, again, a 40 pip stop loss and 180 pip take profit. So just showing you guys that right there. I'll switch back to my actual chart, and we'll go ahead and break this down. Now, I'll start on like the 12-month time frame just to touch on what price action was doing last time we were up into this price. And what I'll do is I think this is going to qualify as golden trade setup V1. I'm sorry, V3, because I know I have golden trade setup V1 and V2 already on the channel. So yeah, this would be golden trade setup V3. So I guess that's what we're going to name this video. So yeah, getting right into the chart work, I just want to show you guys the price action on the 12-month time frame. So you guys can see here in 2015, we had this nice spike into this 1.65 area. So it's been around 4 years since we actually tapped this area. And I'll show you guys here in the next 3-month cycle, we actually tapped this 1.65 area again and rejected it very nicely with the bearish engulfing on a 3-month time frame. So one thing I want to point out to you guys is that when we were actually at this level in 2015 of 1.65, as soon as we hit this high at 1.65, we rejected it and closed all the way at 1.59. So that's about a 600 pip or a 500 pip move within this area. So it just indicates that this is an area where price could be rejecting very nicely at. So keeping that in mind with price action, let's go down to the monthly. And I want to show you guys this bearish hammer that we actually had in January 2019. So with this bearish hammer, I was waiting for the right place to actually take my shorts. So we actually took our shorts in and around this area, as you guys will see here and later on the video. But I was looking for a right place to take our shorts based off of this monthly bearish hammer formation. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let's go down to even the weekly. And you guys will see that when we came in and we tapped this 1.65 area here in January, December-ish area, we rejected very, very nicely. I'll flick my tools on for a brief second, and we'll measure this wick right here. You guys can see it was about a 300 pip wick, and then an overall 500 pip move in that candle alone for 1 week. So keeping that in mind, we're just keeping in mind how much bearish momentum is actually in this market. So now going into the daily, this is really going to finalize where our analysis is actually sitting at. So on this daily time frame, sometime last week, we had this nice bearish hammer formation again. And with this bearish hammer formation, at this point, it was a confirmation that we knew as soon as we got a pullback, we were going to go ahead and sell this market lower. Okay, so going into like the 4-hour time frame, now I'm going to start showing you guys a little bit about my fib, or at least the fib that I threw on this chart in particular, and where we got our risk to reward and all that good stuff. So you guys can see this was the daily bearish hammer formation. It's this move here to the downside, and simply all we were looking for was a pullback up into a certain area, also known as a 618. Also known as the 618 or the 71, and we actually took our shorts from here. So a lot of people might ask, why didn't you take your shorts at the 618 or the 50%? There was a lot of bullish momentum up into this area. Pretty much as soon as I saw this bullish candle right here, I knew I wasn't going to take my trade at the 618, especially because there was a lot of euro fundamentals and news coming out last week. So taking my trades at the 618 wasn't really right for me because I knew there was going to be a lot of manipulation in the market, and we could probably catch an even better entry here at the 71, as you guys can see. So that's exactly what we did. And like I said, we just hit our take profit level, which is awesome, for 180 pips. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or got some value out of it. This is a really good trade setup that we caught, my private group caught as well. And yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.